we got some more pineapple plants, and I have this coconut shells to put around them, because why not? It's gotta be extra. Yeah. So okay, so we're done. Put in as much coconut shells as we have. When I come down again, I'll have that there, but let me try and show you guys how the pad for the orchard is. Yep, it's nice, treacherous path. I tried to make here a little better than how it was. I'm making steps, but I didn't do anything much. And step down too high. So we're here. That's how it looks so far. That's the first terrace, and it goes around to that tree right there, and then up here. So it's about like 6 or 7, right? Terrace we're going to do. Look at that. Oh, sometimes it's scary being in here. I have to go and get some solar lights. And then here is so bushy. I have to come down with the weed whacker and just go through the pineapple. Cassava at the border here. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It'll help us a lot. Bye. See you next one.